intaan furfurin barnaamijkeena waxaan rabnaa inaan ku bilaabo Soomaaliya different regions UN Women World Bank
British ambassador as well as other dignitaries seated here, representatives of the NGOs.
qorshahan hadda inta lagu soo bandhigo laftirkiisu wuxuu u baahan yahay sida hadda aan sheegay sidii lagu hirgelin lahaa miisaaniyadu u baahan yahay gacanta kuma hayno waa dadkina gacan siin lahay ayaan ka dalbanaynaa waxaan u baahanahay qubaro oo gacan ka naga siisa dhinaca farsamo iyo dhinaca dhaqaaleba marka iyadu way waxaan marka rabno markii aan annaga qoraalkan maanta aan saxinayno inaan haddana la tagno donorskii loo weydiiyo.
First of all, to me and to the international community is not about the power. We don't hold the power. It's the government of this country, it's the people of this country that have the power in their hands. Power is not about being there, it's about everywhere else. What the community would like to do is for the Somalis and the government of Somalia to understand that it is their responsibility, but to accept that it is something wrong and to want to do it. If they do, then it's easier for the international community to support. If they don't, you can put money, you can have all the international community here, nothing will change.
Our greatest short-term need right now is legislation. Our penal code, which was put together in 1962, doesn't even consider sexual violence as an act or a crime against the individual. All these things need revisions. We need coordination between the judiciary system, the service providers, the police, and what the short-term needs addressed right now is how to get that cohesion.
iyo wadamada kale ee gacanta ka geystay taageerida dadka Soomaaliyeed gaar ahaan kulankan waa noo furan.
Thank you very much. The workshop is open.